Okay, so why I am telling computer is an hybrid device? Because you see, computer is formed from the different components. Say suppose you will find some wires and all, so it's an electrical device. You will find some electronic circuit, right? Something like ICs, RAM and all. Okay, this is called what? The electronic device. Okay, and as well as you will find something called motor. Okay, to run some ball bearing and all different things. That's why it's called what? The mechanical device. That's why computer is a hybrid device. Okay, so it's if you say computer is an electronic device, so this is not a correct definition. Okay, because you see your calculator is maybe your electronic device because only some electronic circuit is there. But when you go for computer, it is a collection of all different fields: electrical, electronic, and the mechanical, or many more. That's why it's called what? The hybrid device. Okay, so what computer do? It takes some input from the users or the computers. Okay, so in later on you will come to know that to provide the input, always not we have to type. Okay, sometimes some robot also gives some input. Okay, and sometimes we take the input from the camera in automatic processing. Okay, sometimes we may take input from the microphone. That's why I'm telling input is provided by many other different component. Okay, sometimes users and sometimes some machines. So it will take some input, and after taking some input it will do some processing. Okay, after the processing it will generate some valid output, and it will be displayed or stored here in the output device. Okay, if you find that all the processed or the unprocessed information. Okay, someone is waiting, let me in him. Okay, so at that point when I'm telling, if you want to say store your data forever, okay, then you have to use the secondary storage. Okay, so I want to repeat. First of all, it will provide some input to the computer. Okay, and in this computer some processing will be happening, and based on this processing we will see some output. Okay, if it is required, it can be displayed in the monitor. Okay, the sound should be displayed in the speaker, or printout can be come out of the printer. So all these are the output device. Okay, now if we want to store our data permanently, then we have to use secondary storage. The example of secondary storage is your what? The hard disk, your pen drive, CD-ROM, and different things. Okay, so this is now, apart from this input, process, output, and the storage device, nowadays all our computers are connected to some internet. Okay, that's why this communication device. So this is the architecture of our modern computer. Okay, if you find the definition of computer in some old book, then this part may not be there. Okay, because computer or this communication is popular. Okay, from very short amount of time. That's why it's the on all the modern computer architecture diagram, this unit is included. Okay, I will come to this part later on. Now just I'm telling input, output, storage, processing, and the communication. So up to this part, anyone have any doubt? Please reply. So এতিয়ালৈকে কাৰোবাৰ কিবা ডাউট আছে নে কোৱা? যদি তোমালোকে ভাবা repeat কৰিব লাগিব, I will repeat it. Okay, if you think that I will explain this in Assamese or Hindi, okay, অসমীয়া আৰু হিন্দীত যদি ক'ব লাগে মই কৈ দিম. Okay, please let me know. Please let me know. Utkarsh no. Yeah. Okay, I can proceed. আগবাঢ়িব পাৰো? প্ৰিয়ংকা বুজি আছে নে কোৱাচোন? In introduction class, she says that she has some problem in English. Priyanka বুজি আছে নে? শুনি আছে নে কোৱাচোন? প্ৰিয়ংকা কোৰ
Hello.
বুজি পাই আছে নে?
বুজিছো স্যার।
ওকে, যদি অসমীয়াত ক'বলৈ কৈ দিবা, ঠিক আছে? এতিয়া তুমি চোৱা, ইনিচিয়েলি যাৰ ইংলিছৰ প্ৰব্লেম আছে, ক্লাছ কৰা, দুটা তিনিটা ক্লাছ কৰিলে গোটেইখিনি বস্তু বুজা হৈ যাবা, ঠিক আছে? তথাপি তোমালোকে যদি ভাবা kobo lage, then I will definitely tell in Assamese or Hindi or English. Okay, yeah. So we'll be proceeding. So now if we come inside the processing unit, this is the combination of three common component. Okay, three, actually one more component is there, I will tell. So what are they? First of all, you will find the control unit. So control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and the register, okay, along with the cache memory. This is called the CPU, central processing unit. Inside the central processing unit, all your arithmetic and logical operations are performed. Okay, so there is a distinct function of control unit, distinct function of arithmetic and logic unit, functions of registers, and functions of cache. Okay, I will not go very elaborate to these things. Okay, I will wait till your computer fundamental or computer system architecture sir or madam give you some instruction. Okay, if still you are not clear with this concept, okay, later on I will help you. Please let me know. Okay, I will not take you very deep into this field right now. Okay, so for my class, whatever is required, I will go directly with this only. Okay, so what I'm telling, inside this processing unit, you will find a three different unit. One is CPU, one is main memory, and one is cache memory. Okay, see, there are two type of cache. One is L1 and one is L2. Okay, if the cache memory is resides inside the CPU, then this is called what, the L1 cache. Okay, and if the cache memory is resides outside the CPU, then this is called what, the L2 cache. Okay, so this control unit who will manage all the instruction. Okay, what to come in, what to come out, what to communicate, what to store, all this is maintained by this control unit. Okay, and all the arithmetic, suppose 1 plus 2, 1 into 2, 1 minus 2, so all these arithmetic operation is done by this ALU. Logical unit, that means I have to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay, which one is white and which one is black, or which one may be red, green. Okay, this type of operations are called the logical testing or the reasoning. So all these tasks are performed by this ALU. Okay, and all the data which is required at the moment of processing is stored temporarily in the register. Okay, so this is the functions of your CPU, central processing unit. Okay, any doubt regarding this CPU or the component? Anyone?
Sir,
What?
sir, আকৌ এবাৰ CPU টো হে বুজাই দিও।
আচ্ছা, CPU সোয়া, CPU তোমার কি, CPU ফুল ফর্ম কি হয় কোয়া, তোমার সেন্ট্রাল প্রসেসিং ইউনিট। ঠিক আছে, তোমার কম্পিউটারত তোমার যিমান বিলা কাম কৰিব লগা আছে গুটেইখিনি তোমাৰ কোড প্ৰসেস হ'ব কোৱা CPU হ'ব। ঠিক আছে, এটো এনেকৈ ধৰি লোৱা, ইউৰ ফাদাৰ ইজ দা CPU অফ ইউৰ ফ্যামিলি। ওকে, যাৰ যি ডিসিশন ল'ব লগা আছে, তোমাক কোড এডমিশন দিব, তোমাক দুৰ্গা পূজাত কি কাপোৰ দিব, ঠিক আছে, তোমাক কোড ফুৰাব নিব, এইবিলাক কোনে ডিসাইড কৰিব? ইউৰ ফাদাৰ। ওকে, মানে য'ত মেইন প্ৰসেসিংটো হ'ব এটো কি বুলি কয়, তোমাৰ কোৱা সেন্ট্রাল প্ৰসেসিং ইউনিট। ওকে, সেন্ট্রাল প্রসেসিং ইউনিটত তোমার তিনটা পার্ট থাকে। কি কি হয় কোৱা, তোমাৰ কন্ট্রোল ইউনিট, এরিথমেটিক এন্ড লজিক ইউনিট, আৰু তোমাৰ কি হয় কোৱা ৰেজিষ্টাৰ। ইয়াতৰ কাম কি কোৱা, কন্ট্রোল ইউনিটে কি কৰে, তোমাৰ গোটেই কম্পিউটাৰ সিস্টেমটো তোমাৰ মেনেজ কৰে। কন্ট্রোল ইউনিট কন্ট্রোল। ওকে, এরিথমেটিক এন্ড লজিক ইউনিট তাৰমানে তোমাৰ কি হ'ব কোৱা, যিমান বিলাক তোমাৰ এরিথমেটিক অপাৰেশন আছে, যোগ বিয়োগ, কে পূৰণ হৰণ যিবিলাক আছে ন, এই গোটেইবিলাক কি কৰিব, তোমাৰ ইয়াতে কৰিব। প্লাস তোমার লজিক্যাল ইউনিট। ওকে, লজিক্যাল মানে তুমি চাই লোৱা, সাপোজ তুমি যেতিয়া এইচএস পাস কৰিলা ন, তুমি ডিসাইড কৰিলা মই কোনটো লাইনত যাম, মই কি পঢ়িম, বিএ পঢ়িম, বিএসসি পঢ়িম, নে মই বিসিএ পঢ়িম। ঠিক আছে, সো এইবিলাক কি বুলি কয় তোমাৰ কোৱা, দিস অল আর দ্য লজিক্যাল টেস্টিং অর দ্য রিজনিং। ওকে, এট দ্যাট মোমেন্ট হুইচ লাইন ইজ বেটার ফর ইউ। সো এইবিলাক কাম কোড কৰিব তোমাৰ কোৱা লজিক্যাল ইউনিটত পারফর্ম কৰিব। সো যিমান বিলাক তোমাৰ ক্যালকুলেশন বা লজিক্যাল রিজনিং আছে গোটেইবিলাক কোড পারফর্ম কোৱা এরিথমেটিক এন্ড লজিক্যাল ইউনিটত হ'ব। ওকে, আচ্ছা, ৰেজিষ্টাৰৰ এক্সাম্পল চাই লোৱা। সাপোজ তোমাৰ ঘৰত পঢ়াৰ ৰুমত এটা আলমাৰি এটা আছে, ঠিক আছে, তাতে তোমাৰ কমসে কম তোমাৰ 2000 কিতাপ আছে। ঠিক আছে কিন্তু তুমি কি কৰা যেতিয়া তুমি পঢ়া দুখন বা এখন কিতাপ তুমি তোমাৰ টেবুলত লৈ আহা ওকে so this is something like register your table is your register okay so RAM ত তোমাৰ বহুত ডাটা আছে সেকেন্ডাৰী স্টোৰেজ হার্ড ডিস্কত তোমাৰ বহুত ডাটা আছে ঠিক আছে তুমি সেই মোমেন্টত যিখিনি ডাটাৰ ওপৰত তুমি কাম কৰিবা তাক তুমি কি কৰিবা টেম্পোৰাৰি তুমি আনি ৰেজিষ্টাৰত থৈ দিবা ঠিক আছে so this is your temporary storage for the processing okay আৰু তুমি এনেকে এক্সাম্পল লব পৰা suppose even resides in far-flung areas. Suppose one student from Arunachal, one from Meghalaya. Okay. Now, if he or she want to, okay, do class every day in additive, he cannot come out of Shillong or the Arunachal. Okay. He has to take one residence near the university. So this is the register. Buji pala? Buji pala, Priyanka?
বুজিছো স্যার
Okay. Any doubt? Anyone? Anyone have any more doubt regarding CPU? Okay, so this is your CPU. Okay, now memory. See, RAM is the memory. You see, your hard disk is not a memory. Always remember. Okay, your hard disk, pen drive, CD-ROM, DVD are the storage device. Okay, when you tell about the memory, always remember cache memory, register, and the primary memory is termed as the memory in computer. Okay, and other than this all this hard disk ssd pen drive dvd cd these all are the storage okay memory is used for primary work okay and storage is used for permanent storage of the data okay see why it is called primary memory because CPU can directly access to this memory that's why it's called primary why it is called secondary because you can this CPU cannot access secondary storage directly it will have to go via primary memory or the RAM as well as the cache okay that's why it is called a secondary memory okay see up to this part anyone have any doubt okay processing unit and the storage unit wait someone is waiting Bipasa Goswami okay please try to come on time okay I will never allow disallow anyone at any moment but please try to come on time okay it's good for you okay if you come at the last moment also then also I will give the attendance but this is not good for you okay please try to come on time everyone and who have just joined I'm telling you that today we are just discussing the preliminary concept of computer system and just before going to all of this we have nominated 2 person of this group as a seer one is your Rinki Bosumatari and one is your Sankalpo Borua okay so whatever communication you want to do with us please do it them they will forward to us okay so in this way we'll follow one hierarchy and all of you please provide your detail to these 2 person okay so that they can form one group your name enrollment number yeah if you are then you can provide but name and the WhatsApp number is must you have to give because based on these numbers they will form the group okay so this is now we'll come towards the see in the secondary storage you can find lots of things hard disk may be there DVD may be there okay pen drive may be there I think you know these things okay and next one is your output means where you can find the processed data okay processed valid data what is the data validity on I will not go very elaborate now okay just remember all the process and the valid data can be found in the output device okay the best or the common output device is our monitor okay now computer monitor may be of different type okay so now for the time being you just remember that in our cases all the time we are using the monitor of our LED type okay light emitting diode type of monitor we are using where we find some display. Okay, display of your beautiful song. Okay, firing of PUBG game, and all these different things you'll find in the monitor. Okay, now suppose you are typing one letter and or writing a story, a poem. Okay, and if you want to uh, uh, print these things in a paper, then you have to use printer. Okay, there are different type of printers. Okay, inkjet printer, laser printer, dot matrix printer. Okay, so you don't need to go all these things very elaborately, but just you remember that printer is used to take the printout or the hard copy. Okay, and next one is your speaker, woofer, okay, amplifier, whatever you tell. So these all are the output device through which we get our sounds from the computer. Okay, and projector is also your output device. Okay, using projectors in all the theaters and the cinema hall, you can view the movie in a bigger screen. Okay, or in a lab. So this is your output devices. Okay, and whatever the communication devices. Okay, communication devices, you will find the dongle, you know, using one USB stick you can find the internet. Okay, this one Zeo-Fi, you know, modem, router, switch, these all are the communication devices. Nowadays our mobile phone is our everything, right? If we have a mobile phone, then using this we can share our internet and all. Okay, now our cell phones or the mobile phones are the one point solution. It will act as a computer, it will act as a internet provider, it will act as a secondary storage, pen drive, and many more. Okay, so this one, so this is the example of your communication devices through which computer can communicate with the outside world. Okay, is the communication device. See, now I am communicating with you through which computer. Okay, I am connecting my mobile phone Wi-Fi to this computer, and using these Wi-Fi signals I have communicate with you all. Okay, so this is the communication devices. So this is in short about your computer hardware system. Okay, up to this part, if anyone have any doubt, please let me know. I think you may have some doubt because lots of people will have joined very late. Okay, if you have doubt, then you please ask me, or we will proceed towards the next. Doubt থাকলে কোৱা? Are you all there? Okay, 14 students are there, na? Please let me know your doubts. Clear? All clear? Cyan is responding. I want response from any other person also. Please respond here. Yeah, Sankalpa is clear. Yeah. Okay. If you have no doubt, then we'll proceed. Okay, so this is the attendance for the class. I will make a screenshot. Okay, sir, please note down this. Okay, I will later on collect it from you. Okay, Sankalpo and Rinki, please make this screenshot with you. Okay, I will collect it from you later on. Okay, yeah. Can I proceed towards the next? Please confirm. Can I proceed towards the next? So, okay. Yeah, now we will be going to the next. Actually, see, Linux is nothing but our operating system. Okay, after knowing the hardware, actually in this part we have learned about the hardware. Okay, which you can say the core of any computer system. Okay, this is the center point of our entire computer system. So what about this concentrating circles are telling, we will come later on. So here we have confirmed with this one, the hardware. Okay, hardware part we know. Can you tell someone, can someone tell me the definition of hardware? Please try to say what's the definition of hardware. I think you have to do some courses in computer, right? See, our session will be end in 5 minutes. Okay, so see, let's not discuss about these things today. Okay, now for the first class I think this is enough, otherwise you will get confused. Okay, anyway, our class will be end in 5 minutes. Okay, so automatically this will get closed. Okay, can someone tell me about the definition of hardware? What is mean by hardware, please? See, you have to share your idea. Okay, I'm not judging you whether this is correct or not, but please open up yourself. Okay, please tell someone has given a good idea. Who is him? Anupam. Can you Anupam, can you say in front of my mic?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Tarifa, please.
Hello, sir. Hardware is a part of computer which
Okay,
we can touch.
yes, we can touch. Okay, so these are the physical components. Very good, very good.
Okay.
Any other? If Pavana Devi is coming at the end moment. Okay,
Sir?
yeah, please tell. Pavana is coming at the end. Where we see Cyan. Okay, can you tell the definition of hardware, or what you understand about the hardware?
Sir, the hardware refers to mechanical device that computer.
Mechanical, yes. See, hardware is not only the mechanical. Yes, mechanical is correct, but as I told you, hardware may be your electronic, electrical, and the mechanical. Okay, your keyboard and this monitor screen and all the mechanical devices. Okay, so you have to tell something like this. Okay, so hardware is a physical device. It may be electronic, electrical, or the mechanical. Okay, very good. Yeah. Pavana, why you so late? Pavana Devi, we're about to end the session. Okay, you have just late. Okay, so please don't late from the next class. Try to come. Okay, regarding attendance, I will give. Okay, regarding attendance, you don't take any tension. I just okay, I will give, but please try to attend the class on time. It is the otherwise this is your loss in the class. Okay, this one. So here we'll conclude the session. Okay, any doubt anyone have, or I will end the session, because otherwise automatically within 2-3 minutes it will get end. Okay, that's why I am end it from my side. Okay, how you find the class today? Is it interesting or boring?
Sir.
So interesting.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for enjoying. Okay, so I am ending the session, and happy Biswakarma Puja as well as Mahalaya to all of you.
Same to you, sir.
Okay.
Same to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. And Rinki and Sankalpa, okay, please form the group, and please don't forget to include me. Okay, otherwise how can I send you information? Okay, from this class onward, all the information I will share in this group only. Okay, I will not follow the public group. Okay, why to tell my strategy to others? Yes or not?
Yes, yes.
I'm little bit selfish. Okay, तुम लोग भी मेरे साथ रह के selfish बन जाओगे. Okay, don't take tension. I will make you. Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll stop now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please note down the attendance of all. Okay, all the mentors.
Thank you, sir.